been working super hard on this, so I'm just really excited that I get to share it with you guys, and I really hope you love it. Ultimately, I hope that we can really try to enter into this final stretch of Lent, just really preparing our hearts, our minds, our bodies, our souls for what the Lord has in store for us on Easter Day. Hey everybody, Brooke here. I'm so excited because I have a very exciting announcement. So in 1 week, I invite all of you to join me for a Holy Week Fitness and Faith Challenge. This is a 7-day Holy Week challenge, and it will consist of 6 elements. Are going to be prayer, fitness, hydration, connection, outdoor walks, and gratitude. And that sounds like a lot, but I'm going to break it down. We are currently in the season of Lent, and for those of you that don't know what Lent is, it is a 40-day period of prayer, fasting, and almsgiving, all leading up to Easter Day. 7 days prior to Easter Day is known as Holy Week, which is my favorite time of the year. It's just a perfect chance to grow in a deeper relationship with the Lord and truly prepare our hearts, minds, and bodies for Jesus' resurrection. I have also created a little PDF for you guys. The link will be down below. Print this out or screenshot it on your phone, and this will help you to kind of keep track each day to reach all of those goals. I'm going to break down each of those elements for you guys right now. The first and the most important is prayer. Basically just called to pray for at least 15 minutes daily, and this can mean so many things. Just giving gratitude to God, going to adoration, praying with a friend, praying a rosary. It is totally up to you and what you want this to look like each day. The goal is just to try to make it at least 15 minutes minimum. And if you need more ideas, I share some of these ideas in the PDF as well. Second is the fitness element, and this is great for you guys because you don't have to worry about a thing. I have it all planned out for you. All you have to do is set aside 15 to 25 minutes, depending on the day, and just follow along with me. I will be posting a new video each day during Holy Week. So that's 7 fresh new workouts, starting with Palm Sunday and then ending on Holy Saturday. And the third element is to drink at least 2 liters of water a day. This one is pretty self-explanatory, and if you are fasting, it is very important to be hydrated. So just trying to reach that goal. The fourth is connection. And this is another element that is really flexible. Again, I do have some of these ideas in the PDF if you need this. And they include, calling a friend or a family member, volunteering somewhere. It really is very adaptable to your stage in life and where you feel like the Lord is calling you to go for that day. I love this because we are called to see Christ in one another, and I think this is a great way to grow in compassion for others. The fifth element is to go on an outdoor walk. I absolutely love walking. I have gotten into a wonderful habit of outdoor walks in all kinds of weather for the last couple of years, and it has been such a gift for so many reasons. As long as you are intentionally going outside, moving your bodies, it counts. Finally, the sixth element is gratitude. So I left a spot on the PDF to kind of jot down 2 things that you're grateful for each day. But if you want to take this a step further and write down 3 or 4 or do a whole journal entry each day, go for it. Just try to show God your gratitude for Him, and doing this daily is just a wonderful practice. And then the last thing I want to say is, if this challenge, feels like a burden on top of the things you're already doing for Lent or just your life in general, then I just encourage you to try it out, and just as you need. The Lord knows your heart best, and you know what will be best for you in whatever season of life you're in ultimately. Again, I have a PDF that I will link below that's going to give you all the elements I just listed in this checklist format to make each day very easy to keep track of. And I've been working super hard on this, so I'm just really excited that I get to share it with you guys, and I really hope you love it. But ultimately, I hope that we can really try to enter into this final stretch of Lent right before Easter, just really preparing our hearts, our minds, our bodies, our souls for what the Lord has in store for us on Easter Day. Let's offer it up together, offer everything you have for Him and His greater glory. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to do this challenge with you guys. God bless.